There is also a 3-inch deck bolt that's going to be used in special applications like the boat that we're working on right now. We've talked about when to use a self-tapping screw for holding your deck down to the frame. We've talked about when to use a deck bolt, a 1.5-inch or elevator bolt. But there is also a 3-inch deck bolt that's going to be used in special applications like the boat that we're working on right now. You're going to see sometimes a C channel or an S channel where you can easily get your screw or your bolt into the aluminum that holds your pontoons together. However, there is a U channel that's sometimes flipped upside down and your board is going to rest on top, but there's a big gap between the metal that you're going to actually run a nut onto your bolt and the board itself. If you look at this, we have a U shape. There's no metal right against the deck itself. For this application with this U channel where we have that big gap, we're going to take our 3-inch, run it all the way through. We can get a nut on the bottom side and tighten everything up. That way we secure our deck the best way possible for the cross members that we've been given.